Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The Sony A7 series has undeniably reigned supreme in the full-frame mirrorless camera market since the groundbreaking A7V's debut in late 2021. As anticipation mounts, speculation about the potential features and groundbreaking enhancements of its successor, the A7V, is reaching a fever pitch. Today, we dive deep into the swirling rumors surrounding the A7V, exploring both potential refinements and game-changing innovations that could redefine photography and videography. Multiple indicators suggest that the unveiling of the A7V is imminent, with a strong possibility of a Q3 or Q4 2024 launch. While the A7 IV remains a formidable camera, the relentless march of technological advancement, coupled with stiff competition from rivals like Canon and Nikon, necessitates Sony's push for innovation. Moreover, the evolving demands of content creators, who crave higher resolution imagery and smoother video capture, necessitate a camera that can keep pace with their aspirations. Although the A7 IV is a solid performer, certain core specifications might appear dated when compared to upcoming releases from Sony and its competitors. While official details remain shrouded in secrecy, leaks and informed speculation have painted a tantalizing picture of the potential upgrades in store for the A7V. Let's dissect the rumored features. The exact sensor resolution of the A7V remains a subject of intrigue. Some rumors hint at a modest bump to 33 megapixels, aligning with the established A7 series DNA. However, other whispers suggest a more audacious leap to 44 megapixels, catering to photographers who demand exceptional image detail. One of the most eagerly anticipated features is the potential integration of a dedicated AI processor unit. This powerful chip could revolutionize the camera's performance in multiple ways. It could dramatically enhance autofocus capabilities, enabling more precise object recognition and tracking. Furthermore, AI processing could refine noise reduction algorithms, resulting in cleaner images even in challenging low-light conditions. Overheating has been a recurring issue with some previous Sony models, and the A7V might address this concern with an improved heat management system. This would facilitate extended recording sessions and sustained performance, a boon for videographers who require lengthy footage capture. Beyond the core upgrades, the A7V is expected to boast a range of additional features tailored to diverse user needs. Videographers will likely rejoice at the rumored 8K video recording at 30 FPS, complemented by enhanced high frame rate options for 4K and Full HD capture. Photographers can anticipate even faster and more accurate autofocus, thanks to potential advancements in the system, making the A7V an ideal tool for capturing fleeting moments in action. The shooting experience could be further elevated by a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD. However, these advancements come with a price tag. Sony will need to strike a delicate balance between offering compelling upgrades and maintaining a competitive price point in the market. While specifics remain elusive, the pricing of the A7V will undoubtedly be a crucial factor in its success. Sony must navigate the challenge of providing significant improvements while remaining competitive against rivals. The rumored specifications of the Sony A7V paint a compelling picture of a camera poised to elevate the A7 series to unprecedented heights of performance. Whether it delivers a moderate update or a revolutionary leap, the A7V is sure to ignite excitement among photographers and videographers alike. As we eagerly await the official announcement, stay tuned for further updates that will illuminate the capabilities of Sony's next full-frame flagship camera. And as always, thank you for watching.